In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about setting up an external monitor on your MacBook. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is just to connect the monitor to the Mac. You may need to ensure you have the correct cable, such as an HDMI or USB-C cable. Ensure that the monitor is powered on, and then you can adjust settings in the System Settings window. So if you open up the Apple icon in the menu bar and then select System Settings, and then on the left side, you want to go down and select Displays. And then you should have it listed here. It should give you all of your monitors, and you can adjust them accordingly, change your color profiles as well as resolutions if you want to change that. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.